Hi guys, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the QR codes in your Word file, how to edit it, how you can use it. So for that, first of all, we need to open our Word file and then you need to go to the developer. If you don't have a developer, you can just enable it from your settings, click on the developer mode, and then you need to click on the add scene. Click here and then go to the store. In the store, you need to type QR code, yeah, like this. You need to type this and simply search this, and then you just need to scroll down and here you can see QR for office. Simply add this in your AdSense. Continue and just wait for a second. It's going to add in our AdSense. Here you can see it's add. Sometimes it shows by default, and if it's not, then simply go to the QR ads and simply click on this and it will show you insert. It will show you in the sidebar. So for that, simply if you need to edit, change the color, you can do it from here. And if you also need to add the change the background color, you can do it from here. You can also increase or decreases the size. And from here, you can add the any URL you want. And there's one other, there's a medium error correction. You can also set it according to your requirement. These are the complete settings. And after that, so you simply need to click on the insert. Here you can see our QR code is added in our Word file and the complete settings are here. So it's very simple and easy. You can just follow these steps to simply add the QR code in your Word file. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. See you soon. Bye.